Good morning, I'm meteorologist Michael White. This is our webcast on Fox10TV.com for Monday morning. And it is a really warm start to this Monday. I'm sure many of you are going to notice that if you've not stepped outside yet. As far as rain chances, not going to be anywhere like what we saw on Sunday, but a few isolated pop-up showers will show up, and we've seen some of those on radar already. If you're curious about a cool down, that will arrive by the end of the week. Now, here's a look at the Fox 10 storm tracker at the time we're doing this update at 9:10 in the morning. We'll zoom in closer towards the coastline, and we're just getting little isolated pockets of light rain showing up around Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, Lillian, right along the US 98 corridor, and also in parts of Jackson County on the Mississippi side to the north and west of Dees Landing. Now, these showers are all tracking from south to north, and we'll see them remain spotty and light in nature as we head in throughout the day. The odds of rain only 10%, and this is not going to be near as heavy or intense as what we dealt with on Sunday. Temperatures as of 9 a.m. very warm in the mid to upper 60s and even at 70 right now, or as of 9 a.m. for Mobile and Pascagoula. The dew points have also jumped into the upper 60s. That's significant because the higher the dew point, the more humid and muggy the air. And the reason we've seen these dew points jump up is because of that warm front that rolled through on Sunday that brought us all the heavy rain and storms. So essentially, when you have temperatures that are warm and high dew point numbers, it's going to feel very muggy by the afternoon, and winds are going to be showing up out of the south and east between 10 to 15 miles an hour later today. So with a high of 82 and high humidity, we're already going ahead and throwing in that rain chance. And as you saw on the storm tracker, we're already seeing that in some spots. And essentially, the weather pattern is going to remain the same for about the next 4 days. Today through Thursday, there's just not going to be a lot of change. Highs will max out in the 80s, lows will drop into the upper 60s, and we'll see very light showers tracking their way from south to north each day. But most of you will be dry and the sky partly cloudy. If you're wondering what happened to the warm front, it stalled itself out around the US 84 corridor and it's gone stationary. Basically, that means it's not going to move. So as we move in throughout the week, we'll eventually see this front wash itself out, but our air mass isn't going to change. It will change, though, on Friday. An approaching cold front from the north and west will head down in our direction, increase our shot for rain and storms, and thank goodness it will knock out the warm temperatures and the high humidity. So here's how the futurecast looks. We just get isolated showers throughout the day, primarily in the afternoon. Inland spots will have the best shot to see those flare up. Areas like Chatham, Jackson, Monroeville, and Evergreen. And of course, like in the summertime, once the sun sets, any rain on radar is going to dissipate and we will turn dry through tomorrow morning. At the beaches, partly sunny, 80-degree high temperature with a moderate rip current risk and a water temperature near 70. Your wave height at 2 to 4 feet. As far as the high inland, it'll be 82 with a 10% chance of an isolated shower. Tonight, dry and balmy with lows falling between 67 and 71 degrees. And up on the 7-day planner, here's how it stacks up. Friday will be the day with the highest rain and storm possibility along that approaching cold front. And then Saturday and Sunday will be beautiful with tons of sunshine and the air much cooler. Highs will fall back into the low 70s and lows will drop off by more than 20 degrees, falling into the upper 40s. That's your webcast. Thanks for watching here on Fox10TV.com.